girl, lovely angel lady, L to the A to the L. Welcome to my channel. So, y'all, I'm running a little bit behind today on making dinner, but it's all good. It's all good. I'm gonna go ahead and get it popping. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to do like some quick meatballs because meatloaf takes longer to cook in the oven. So I'm thinking about doing my meatballs. So turkey. This is ground turkey, GO, and it is 85% lean, 15% fat. I have this ground pork, Smithfield ground pork is 85% lean, 15% fat as well. So we're going, I like to mix ground turkey and pork for my meatballs as well as my meatloaf. And I pretty much make them the same way. It's just the meatballs I roll them and put them on a pan and cook them. The meatloaf, I shape it into a meatloaf and so forth, so forth. So, I mean, it tastes pretty much the same. So, yeah. So anyway, y'all, let's get it going. I'm going to take these Ritz crackers and I'm going to flatten them, like crunch them. And that's going to be what I use for my breadcrumbs. Sometimes I'll buy breadcrumbs from the store, but this is fine. And sometimes I'll use like a few pieces of bread as well. So I'm going to go ahead and throw everything up in the bowl. Show y'all it's pretty straightforward. Make my meatballs, get in the oven. Brown gravy right here. You know, I'm like the queen of making my own roux, making my own gravy, but I'm just trying to hurry up and get, you know, dinner done. Sunday, I just finished filming a makeup tutorial, so therefore, I'm running a little bit behind. Like normally, I'll have dinner ready. It's about to be 6 o'clock. I would already have dinner ready by now. So, I'm about to get this show on the road, and then I'll show y'all in just a moment, okay? All right. We got our meat. This is our meat right here, both the ground turkey and the pork. Okay. So this is just usually what I do. Take this like that. Flip it up. Lightly. Kind of pound it like this. So these are Ritz crackers, and I'm going to go ahead, take my bowl, and that's like a stack and a half. Alright, we're going to pour in this one too. This is a little bit less than that one. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and add in these chopped onions. Be generous, just use the whole dang bag. This is 10 ounces. 10 ounces of onion. spoon as much as possible because this is like ice cold. Then I go in with my hands, y'all, and wash my hands. You want to make sure you wash your hands every time you touch any, any egg, any meat, and everything. So I usually just turn off the camera and go wash my hands. Just FYI, gotta be sanitary in the kitchen. So yeah, but this is what it's looking like here. I'm gonna get in there a little bit more with my hands. But yeah, this is what they look like now. And then I think I'm just gonna go ahead and roll some meatballs because it'll cook faster, and I'm gonna stick them in the oven. Okay guys, so we got 26 nice sized meatballs. We sprayed these glass dishes here with a little bit of light cooking spray. I'm gonna get these in the oven. I have it on 350. So I'm gonna go ahead and toss those in there. I think I'm gonna put it up to 375 though. But yeah, get these babies in the oven. I'm just gonna I have it set on 30 minutes. I'm gonna come back in and check the meatballs, and they should be able to come out within 30 minutes. And then I'm going to throw them in some gravy and be done with it. I'm going to make 3 of these boxes of pastaroni. It's Parmesan cheese flavor. And I'm going to make 2 cans of these LiQWYD, very young, small peas. Okay. Alright, so it's been 30 minutes, and let me move the box. So it's been 30 minutes. I just want y'all to see. So this is what the meatballs look like, okay? So my gravy is up here, so I'm just dropping the meatballs inside the gravy. So I'm going to scoop the rest of the meatballs in the gravy, show y'all what that looks like. And then I gotta make my cornbread, but my peas are done. I made the pasta roni, and everything will be ready. Alright, so that's what they look like. It's in the gravy, the meatballs. In the gravy in the pack, all you gotta do is just add a cup of cold water, and then you heat it up on medium heat, and the gravy's pretty much done. I did 2 packs of that easy gravy. I could have made my own roux, y'all, but I decided not to make a roux today. So, but that's that. And okay, so the pasta. This is the pasta roni. That's the pasta roni. And then my peas are right here. These are my peas. Yes, with onions and seasoning and stuff in them. So all I have to do is do my cornbread. Once my cornbread is done, dinner will be served. I will show y'all a plate. Okay, my lovely. So I got my meal right here. You heard me? Look at that. Ooh, here go your plate. Y'all want some? So I'm here to taste the meatballs for y'all, okay? Look how tender. I just want to show y'all. Look at this. You see how juicy and tender that is? That's why I mix ground turkey and ground pork together, okay? My auntie down in Baton Rouge, she used to mix hers like that for both her meatballs and her meatloaf. So
she passed that down to me, to your girl right here. And so that's what we doing. So let's taste it, y'all. Y'all, it's like a party. All the flavor and try it, make it. Let me know down in the comments if you like it, what y'all think. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And you know what I'm about to do. I'm about to enjoy this right here. And I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Later.